Hello students, Standard 3 English Medium, subject Computer. So children, we have finished our lesson number 1, what is a computer, and lesson number 2, Windows, right? So today we are going to discuss revision of lesson number 1 and 2. And children, your syllabus of first semester examination of computer will be lesson number 1 and 2. ठीक है, आपका फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर कंप्यूटर का जब एग्ज़ाम होगा तब आपका सिलेबस होगा लेसन नंबर 1 और लेसन नंबर 2. ओके, तो आज हम लेसन नंबर 1 और 2 का रिवीजन करेंगे. तो here lesson number 1 is what is a computer, right? So computer is a machine, it is an electronic machine, right? It is used to write documents, letters, then draw pictures, play games, listen to music, and watch cartoon films and movies. Computers work very fast and can remember many things and does not make any mistakes, right children? These are the features of computer. Now you can see different parts of the computer children: monitor, CPU, speaker, keyboard, mouse and printer, right? These are the different parts of the computer. So computer is made up of different parts. Which parts? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer and speakers. Now first part is monitor. You can see the picture of monitor children. So it looks like a TV screen. It is also called VDU, Visual Display Unit. Now children, give underline. Okay, you have to remember all full forms, right? VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. Okay, and monitor is used to see cartoon films and movies. Okay. Then after keyboard. So this is the picture of keyboard children. There are many keys on it. Okay. Different type of keys are there. Number keys, letter keys, spacebar, enter key, caps lock, shift, cursor, backspace key, delete key. Right children? So you have to remember the function of each and every key of the keyboard. ठीक है, सारे कीज़ के फंक्शंस आपको यहाँ पे याद रखना है. ओके. देन आफ्टर थर्ड डिवाइस इज द माउस. So children, this is the image of mouse. Mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it and it is capped and moved on a mouse pad. Okay, then after holding the mouse, this is the way of holding the mouse. Then what is mouse pointer? Give underline. This definition is also very important. What is mouse pointer? So mouse is used to point to a place on the screen. It is used to move from one space to another on the screen. Move the mouse on the mouse pad. You will see the arrow moving, right? And this arrow is called mouse pointer. Okay children, this is mouse pointer. Okay, then actions of the mouse. Different actions are there: clicking, double clicking, dragging. Okay. Then after fourth part is CPU. CPU is most important part of the computer. It is called brain of the computer. Okay, all processing will be completed with the use of CPU. ठीक है, तो ये CPU है, Central Processing Unit. Okay children, then after printer, next device is printer. So what is the use of printer? Printer is used to print on papers. Okay, it prints whatever you type with the use of the keyboard, and it also print the pictures. So printer is used to print on paper, right? Then after speakers, speakers are used to listen to music. Okay, so children, this is our lesson number 1. Okay, the computer. What is a computer? Computer features and different parts of the computer. Okay children, so do good preparation for these 2 lessons for your first internal exam. Right, read all definitions, full forms very carefully. Okay, I have given all notes to you. You have to read all notes children. Okay, and also you have to refer this exercise, right? So these type of questions can be asked in your examinations. Fill in the blanks, true or false, right? So do preparation very well, right? Now lesson number 2, Windows. Okay children, now we will see lesson number 2, Windows. Okay, so Windows, that is operating system, and when you switch on the computer, Windows starts automatically. Okay, then you will see screen with many small pictures on it. This is called the main screen of Windows, and it is called desktop. Now I will show you. This is desktop children. Okay, this is called desktop. These are called icons. Okay, this is the main screen of the Windows. This is called desktop children. These are icons. Then here at the bottom of the desktop, this is called taskbar, and this is start button. Right children, here you can see this is date and time. Okay, so these are the components of desktop. Then mouse pointer. So when you move the mouse on the mouse pad, you will see small arrow moving on the screen, and this small arrow will show the position of the mouse on the screen, and this arrow is called mouse pointer. See, this is mouse pointer, right? It is moving onto the screen, right children? So mouse pointer, very important definition, give underline. Then icons, the small pictures that you see on the desktop are called icons. These are the icons. Taskbar, the bar at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. Then start menu. In Windows, the list of commands is called menu, right? And when you click on start button, you will see this start menu. Okay, this is called start menu. Then sub menu. So some items on it have small right arrows. See, okay, this is small right arrow. Okay, place the mouse pointer on one such item, then it will be highlighted, and you will see the another menu. This is another menu and this is called sub menu, right? Then after this is all programs. Okay, it will show the list of programs and program folders on your computer. Then this is accessories folder. Okay, it will expand to show you the list of programs stored in it, right? And then shutting down Windows. So place the mouse pointer on start button, okay, on the taskbar and click the left mouse button. You will see the start menu. Now here on the right pane of the start menu you will see the shutdown button, and this shutdown button is used to close all open programs and shut down Windows. Okay, and then turn off the computer, right? So click on shutdown to switch off the computer. Okay, when you click on this button, the program will be switched off. Your computer will be switched off, right? So this is the revision of lesson number 2, children. Windows. Okay, and this is the exercise of lesson number 2. Fill in the blanks, right? So you have to prepare these 2 lessons for your first internal exam of computer, right, children? Thank you so much.